Sellers, what are the 2 things you must do to prepare your home for sale and get the best return on your investment? Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey with Engel Voelkers Real Estate. If one of your goals this year is to list your home for sale, there are 2 things you cannot afford not to do.
First, you want to price your home right. With the current shifts in the market, as a seller, you need to recognize how important it is to price your home based on where the market is today. This can be a game changer on how long it takes for the property to sell and how much money ends up in your pocket.
Buyers are feeling pressure with affordability and likely to be pickier, so a well-priced, well-maintained home will drum up big demand. According to Realtor.com, sellers need to become familiar with their local market and work closely with the local agent to make their listing attractive to buyers. If you're priced too high, you run the risk of deterring buyers, and if you go too low, you could be leaving money on the table.
So the second is to hire an experienced agent. Working with an experienced agent can help determine what your ideal asking price should be. This attracts the most buyers, moves your house quickly, and gets you top dollar. So not only will an experienced professional negotiate the best terms on your behalf, they will understand the current market conditions and the statistics in your area.
Please reach out to us. With over 40 years of local real estate experience, we can assist you through this big life decision and get you the best return on your investment. We're John and Claire Hickey with Engel Voelkers Real Estate, and we love guiding you home. See you on the next video.